Let's build an API that, given an image URL, gives us a Google Vision text detection and reads us what's in that image. We're going to accomplish this using BuildShip, a brand new exciting tool that combines the best of the low-code and the no-code worlds to let us build complex backend solutions with just a few clicks. So as you can see on my screen here, we've got our BuildShip project. We've got lots of workflows. We're going to be adding a brand new one using one of our built-in templates, and that one is going to be the Google Vision text detection template. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and just like that, we've now got a set of nodes to be able to detect text using Google Vision. So I've already got an endpoint here called getDetect_text, which is totally fine. We've got a trigger node here for a REST API call with a get. Instead of calling it detect text, let's go ahead and call it read text. So that should get rid of our error. This will be a get request. Then the next node will be our Google Vision text detection system, which you can see is already built for us. It takes in one parameter that takes in the image URL from our query parameters. And I'm just going to take a moment to take a look at the code because we can see a bunch of this is already built in. We're going to be using Google Cloud Vision. We're going to authenticate accordingly and get that description from Google Vision. That detected text is going to be passed on to our final node, which is our return node. It returns a 200, and the value comes from that Google Vision text detection. And just like that, friends, we are good to go. So here's what we're going to do next. First, we're going to ship this workflow. I click on ship here, and great, we can see here our workflow has been deployed. We've got a URL, and we can use this URL to test our new endpoint. And I'm going to do that over in Postman. So let's switch over. All right, here we are in Postman. We've got our image URL set to have this digital invoice template that I've grabbed from the internet, and we are passing that to our read text endpoint. We can see the invoice here if you're curious. Cool. Let's go ahead and send that off. And there we go. Quick as lightning, we've got our invoice details that have been read using Google Vision's API. And with that, we're done, friends. We have made a Google Vision receipt reader. Let's go back to BuildShip real quick. If we open up the logs, we can see we had a successful request made just now, and we can see what the params were and how everything went. This lets us really get into how to debug our nodes. But that's just the surface. You can see that with just a few clicks, we have now made a powerful backend to read images. But there's way more to BuildShip. There's going to be a ton of videos coming out where you'll see how to build even more complex solutions. But for now, we'll see you in the next video.